I guess in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install Google Antigravity CLI on Ubuntu operating system. So to get the command in Google search box, write there Antigravity, then go on this Antigravity site. And then you can get this here. And thereafter, you need to select the product, then click on this Antigravity CLI. Click on this install button. This is available for Mac, Windows and Linux. So Linux, you need to use this command. So copy this. Thereafter open the terminal. Thereafter you need to paste the command. Then press enter. So here card is not installed. So let's install the card first. So adding the command sudo apt install card. So card is now currently installed. So with the help of this card that I'm going to install the Antigravity CLI. Let's use the clear command. Thereafter, let's use this card Antigravity Google CLI. Press enter. So this times this is now detected system environment downloading release package. Latest available version 1.0 is there. So currently this is downloading the package. Now this done here. Okay, path that has set it there. Thereafter, if I write AGI minus minus version. So currently this is not detected, so that I'm going to close and opening the terminal again. Right there, AGI minus minus version again. So this time you can see one more that install. Thereafter you need to write there AGI. So you can get this Google authentication first option, then press enter, and here Firefox that's open, and this place you should give the authentication code. So let's go on this Firefox. Here you need to give the email address to get the code. Now copy this code and here you need to paste this here. Press enter and this is now signing. So here you can select the themes. Let's use the dark. Yes, I agree. This and here click, press enter. And click on this done. Yes, trust folder. And wait for a few seconds. That's right there. Hi. So this is now generating. And this here, hi, I'm Antigravity. This, that's come there. What exactly Antigravity do? So this is fast, and here you can see code wave, code base, structure, UI, this one. So this is the most simplest way we can install the Google Antigravity CLI on Ubuntu. So I hope guys you like this video. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.